Okay, so good morning, first year and second year students. Okay, uh, very happy new year, and I hope this new year is going to be a very challenging for you in terms of learning. Okay, so to how to start learning, this is very important. Okay, because this first year and second year engineering students, especially in electronics and electricals, are now very demanding. Okay, very soon you will come to know why I use this word demanding, because industry is growing, and India, our nation, is taking next step to develop a lot of things in semiconductor. Okay, so I'll not go more in that. Okay, there is a lot of things to speak in that, but the important thing is how first year and second year are going to be very challenging. Okay, this is very important to understand why it is very challenging, because when we are targeting something new, okay, like you want to make a career in VLSI or in embedded, then you have uh, to be more efficient, to be more practical, to be more like practical knowledge in terms of your digital and analog. Okay, so I won't be taking much time. I am just talking in reference of my new batches, which I am going to plan from 5th of January. So I received a lot of queries like, sir, first query is why we should go for this course. Okay, this is the first query what people are asking with me. Okay, because uh, we have a different other domains where we can make a career, but why we should go for this course? Okay, so this course, I'm not saying, and it is not mandatory for everyone, but yes, if you want to make a career in core electronics, okay, if you want to join your own domain, okay, then as a industry leader, as an entrepreneur, as a mentor, okay, there is one small guidance from my side is strong yourself first. Be strong in your digital and analog. Okay, once your digital and analog is strong, right, then you can think for a lot of things. Okay, so when I'm going for the mentoring, right, I always push to focus yourself in digital. This is very important. Okay, so digital means analog, and digital means, especially in digital, means your gates. Okay, if I'm talking gates, then I'm talking to combination and sequential. Okay, now the question is what every time people are asking, sir, we are doing this digital in our engineering. Okay, then what you are going to do it here? Okay, so one thing very much clear here, uh, I'm not going to teach you the content which is delivered in your engineering college. Okay, I have designed this course in such a way that you can, right, you can learn something practical. Okay, some practical, like for example, okay, like I'm taking one example. Okay, like sine calculator. Okay, okay, now question is why people are asking why should we go with this course. Now sine calculator, okay, like 3 into 5 minus 15, okay, or minus 4 plus minus 2 plus 2, or minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 2. Okay, this is a basic simple mathematics. But now my question is, are you are you going to design a circuit for this? This is a big question. Can you design the circuit for this? Many of you uh, say no, sir, we can't do it. Okay, but if I give you the basic idea how to make the circuit with the help of the combinational circuit, okay, like for example, adder, subtractor, multiplier, divider, 2s complement, encoder, decoder, mux, demux, which you have already learned in your second year. Or first year student, you are going to learn those things in your second year, third semester. Okay. So suppose that if you are going to use all those components and making this circuit, okay, making this circuit, then tell me whether you are going to forget those basic things when you are in fourth year. No, You are not going to lose anything when you are in fourth year. But whenever I'm talking to fourth year students, right, they are saying, sir, this we have learned in second year and we have just cleared the paper. So this is a basic problem when you are going for an interview or any company coming for an interview. They're asking a simple question: what is mux, or how you can design a gates using mux, or what is full adder? Difference between half adder and full adder. Okay, how the 2s complement is working. Okay, how the latches is working. Okay, how the basic difference between combinational and sequential. What are the different types of counters, sequential counters. So there are many things. Okay, so just this is a one example of sign calculator. Okay, which you are going to design the circuit of sign calculator with help of gates. Gates, I am talking gates means your AND gate, NAND gate, okay, OR gate, whatever. Right? Now, what is the advantage of this? Okay, very simple. If you will design the project, it will come in your resume. And when it's come in your resume, the interviewer will ask what problem you have faced and what challenges or what challenges you have faced, or how you have overcome all those challenges. So this is the thing what interviewer is looking. Interviewer is not looking your face, your education, or whatever. Okay, he or she or any interviewer is looking for logical approach. Okay, so this is very important. So my idea is here to develop the logical approach which we are missing in our study. Okay, so this is the thing we have to follow. Okay, few more projects you can do, like I'm talking to any algebraic equation. Okay, any algebraic equation, any geometry equation. Okay, like a square plus b square, whatever, you know very well, right? Similarly, I'm just giving one example. So you can design the circuit of this. So if you have a 3 to 4 project, right? 3 to 4 project in your resume within first year or second year, you are going to definitely crack the interview of the digital part. Okay, so this is a combination part, right? If I'm talking to the sequential, okay, sequential start with your memory element. Okay, we just mug up each and everything. Okay, and we just pass the exam. But when we are going for an interview, okay, the first question interviewer asks difference between combination and sequential. Okay, or later on, interviewer will ask what is difference between flip-flop and latches. Okay, what are different types of counters. Okay, synchronous, asynchronous, how it's work, etc., etc. But the question is, when you have learned one thing, now you have designed one thing. So when you have designed something, my dear friends, you are not going to miss anything after 2 years, 3 years. Okay, so the question is, for example, we know a state machine, correct? In our subject, a state machine is one subject or one topic. Okay, we taught to design the counter using the state machine. But here, I am not asking you to design the counter with the help of the state machine. I'm asking you to design a odd or even counter just to understand the truth table. Truth table means you have Q0, Q1, Q2, okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, etc. Okay, now this is your even counter logic, and this is your odd counter logic. Now just understand the truth table and design the circuit of odd and even counter. So with this approach, okay, you are going to understand what is the meaning of engineering and what is the meaning of electronics engineering. Okay, otherwise, if you will clear this second year, third semester digital, then you are not going to use this particular digital subject in your entire engineering. But whenever you are going for any interview, in any written, the first 3, 5, 7, 10 questions based on the digital, And again in interview, again the interviewer will start with the digital one. Okay, now sir ठीक है, ये हमने सीख लिया. Now what is next? Okay, how you are going to be take it on practical part. Okay, so practical part, as I mentioned, in combination you are going to do lot of combination based project like sand calculator or any algebraic or geometric equation. Okay, now using sequential, what you can do. Okay, now I'm taking one real example. Okay, you have a clock. Okay, like I'm going to show you uh, like this. We have a board here. Okay, this is an FPGA board. Okay, I'm choosing a FPGA board for this learning. I'm not choosing any other board for this learning. This is an FPGA board. Okay, here we have a okay, let me show you. Okay, in very detail like this. Okay. This is FPGA board, FPGA device. This is complete FPGA board. The cost of this board is equivalent to a good mobile phone, like 40,000-50,000. Okay, when you are going to purchase from academic, then definitely cost is going to reduce. Okay, see, this is for academic. Okay, so now the thing is, we have a switches here. We have a 7 segment here, SSD. We have some LEDs. Okay, now what we are going to do it, a real application. You have 100 megahertz clock crystal. Now convert 100 megahertz into 1 hertz or equivalent to, okay, 100 megahertz is very fast. 1 hertz is where naked eyes can see. Okay, so that's why I'm using this 1 hertz. Okay, now you have to design the hardware. I'm not asking any code. You don't have to write any code. With help of the sequential, I'm talking to counters, I'm talking to shift registers, I'm talking to flip-flop, latches. Now with the help of those components, design a circuit where 100 megahertz will break into the 1 hertz. And if you're able to do it, then you can glow one LED of 1 second. 1 second up, 1 second down, 1 second up, 1 second down. So I'm not asking you to design the code. Okay, code is very easy, which we can take it to the next module. Okay, I'm asking you to design the hardware of LED blinking 1 second. So once you able to do it, right, you will start the real application, like how counter is working, 4-bit counter or up down counter or even counter. Okay, similarly you can use those LED 1 second as a real clock for your shift registers, for your FIFO, etc. Okay, so if you're able to do it, right, if you're able to do it, you can design some real projects like LED 1 second. Let me close this. Okay, with help of, if you have designed the LED 1 second, okay, if you have designed the LED 1 second, okay, with this LED 1 second, this LED 1 second will be act as a block or will be act as a real-time clock. Okay, real-time clock for traffic light, means, you know, everyone know traffic light. Okay, so you can develop the real project with the help of this LED 1 second, and you can put this LED 1 second inside the logic of traffic light. Now again, you have to design that traffic light controller with the help of with the help of the components, with the help of the gates, and those gates, again, they have designed into the components like your shift registers, counters. Okay, so first project will be your traffic light controller. The second project will be your digital clock. Okay, then third project will be your stopwatch. Okay, and then fourth project will be your like LED blinker. So just try to understand with the help of the digital what you can do without going through any programming side. So many of you are asking, sir, I'm not good in programming or I can't learn programming, whatever. Okay, forget it. Keep it one side. Keep it one side. Let's focus on digital part, hardware design. तो अगर आप लोग फर्स्ट ईयर और सेकेंड ईयर में ये कर लोगे, करेक्ट, तो आपका रिज्यूमे डेफिनेटली 2 से 3 पेज का रिज्यूमे हो जाएगा. You have something to written. You can write something or write a blog, or you can make some project and you can showcase in your LinkedIn. ठीक है, आप किसी हैकाथॉन में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो. ओके, तो ये एक ऐसा हार्डवेयर डिजाइन कोर्स है जो जिसको मैं अपने साथ पिछले 8-10 सालों से बच्चों के साथ में सिखा रहा हूँ, राइट. सो दिस कोर्स का जो फीडबैक है वो ये है कि सर थैंक यू फॉर मेकिंग अस टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज हार्डवेयर डिजाइन, और थैंक यू कि आपने हमें इंजीनियरिंग सिखाई. ओके, सो ये 2-3 वर्ड्स इतने अच्छे वर्ड्स हैं मेरे लिए कि मुझे बहुत खुशी देते हैं कि बच्चे लोग कुछ सीख रहे हैं. ओके, तो यही चीज अब मैं आपके पास लेकर आया हूं. अभी तक क्या होता था कि आई यूज टू टेक द ऑफलाइन क्लासेस. ओके, आई यूज टू गो एंड गिव द प्रेजेंटेशन, seminar or webinar, whatever, and then I asking them to please come and join offline batch, or I went to the colleges and open a center of excellence and I started the classes there. Okay, but now things are very fast. Okay, we are involved in many things, especially you guys involved in a lot of club activities. You have a lot of quizzes, lot of exams and etc., but you want to learn. Okay, so for them I have developed this. I have set this setup for you people. Okay, so that you can see me offline. Okay, it is online, but you can see me live offline. Okay, you are just sitting in front of your system. Okay, now just promise me whenever you are taking this class, be on your system. Please not on your mobile, because if you are on mobile, ठीक है, चीजें आपको छोटी दिखेंगी, बट आप सिस्टम पे होगे तो चीजें आपको स्टेबल दिखेंगी. ओके, अब दूसरा क्वेश्चन है बच्चों का कि सर ठीक है हमने ये सीख लिया और हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम फेस हुई तो क्या हुआ. ओके, सो लाइक यू, प्रॉब्लम इज वेरी जेन्युइन. जो हमारा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप होगा, वेन एवर यू आर डिजाइनिंग एनीथिंग, ओके, यू आर फेसिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम, प्लीज टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट एंड सेंड इट इन अ ग्रुप. दिस इज द वन वे टू सॉल्व इट, because like me I will add few of your seniors who are acting as a buddy, who are helping me, and they will solve your questions. Okay, second, like I have a 2-3 colleges nearby, like Kite, JP and some other, they are local colleges, and one outstation college, SRM GPC, okay, Shriram Sarup college. So for those college who are here locally, okay, if you have a good number of students like 10-15, I can visit to your college and one day in a weekdays or in weekends, or you can come to the office academy and then we can take up your queries directly. Okay, like for SRM GPC, what I'll do is here, one of my colleague is in Lucknow. Okay, we'll talk to the management and then we can develop, we already have one center of excellence room is there, so we can meet in any Saturday or any day, whatever we will decide. So this is the way how we can solve your questions face to face. Okay, third question, what again students are asking, sir हमें board कैसे मिलेगा. Okay, so this is the board. See, we have this board. Okay, if you see here, right. So again, board पर काम करना सिर्फ 5% टास्क है. 95% टास्क इस बोर्ड के लिए डिजाइन करना, राइट. तो अगर आप इस बोर्ड पे डिजाइन करना है स्टार्टिंग से, राइट, तो वी हैव अ टूल फ्रॉम Xilinx ISC, वी विल प्रोवाइड यू. ओके, टूल पर कैसे काम करना है वी विल गाइड यू. ओके, जब आपकी बिट फाइल बन जाए, ठीक है, जब आपका एफपीजीए पे काम कैसे करते हैं, वी विल गाइड यू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। जब आपकी बिट फाइल बन जाएगी, देन वी विल आस्क यू टू सेंड अस द बिट फाइल, वी विल प्रोग्राम, वी विल टेस्ट इट एंड वी विल सेंड इट देयर। ओके, तो 100% चीजें हमारे अकॉर्डिंग नहीं चल सकती, बट हमें थोड़ा बहुत मैनेज करना पड़ेगा अपनी लर्निंग के लिए। सो जो आने वाला टाइम है फ्रॉम जनवरी टू जून और जुलाई, ठीक है, इस दौरान वी विल टेक अप क्लास ड्यूरिंग वीकेंड्स, ओके, इन डे टाइम, इन फर्स्ट हाफ, okay, so that in evening you people can do practice, and in again in 4 5 days you can do the practice, and then you can come with your doubts and we can take up your doubts. Okay, so I need at least 3 to 4 months to make you learn the hardware design. Okay, last May you have to do the certification. Okay, it is not like that I will give the certificate like this, okay, or under the table. You have to do the certification. You will give a test. First test clear, certificate will be given. If you're failed in second test, first test, then second test, or if you're failed in second test, then third test. Okay. So I hope you people will clear the certification test in first round only. Okay. And in summer internship, now the question is, sir, fourth question, sir, हमें क्या internship मिलेगी? तो एक चीज मैं बहुत क्लियर बता देता हूँ, अगर आपको, इफ यू नो एनीथिंग, एनीथिंग लाइक वेरीलॉग, वीएचडीएल, इफ यू नो द पाइथन, इफ यू नो द एनी स्क्रिप्टिंग लैंग्वेज, इफ यू नो how to work on embedded C, embedded boards, okay, with the help of the C language or Python, or on FPGA board with the help of the Verilog and VHDL, and if you have a past experience of at least 5 to 6 months, at least, okay, learning, right, then definitely you can apply. Okay, because companies are not going to invest the time in you. Okay, if you are, they will give you the project. Okay, they will ask you, okay, go to your home and complete the project, or whenever you have a doubt, you can come and you can come to our place and we'll solve it. But in the back, you have something in your hand, okay, Verilog and VSTL or something like that. So with the help of the schematic design, definitely, uh, I cannot provide you the direct internship, but definitely I can work out, okay, to those students, or I will help you to bring some real project with the help of the hardware design. If you will do it, then definitely those companies will definitely provide you the certificate. Okay, so this is what from my side. So first year and second year, this is a high time. Okay, don't waste your time here and there. Okay, पढ़ते भी आप सेमेस्टर से एक हफ्ते पहले, एंड सेशनल से एक हफ्ते पहले, या सेमेस्टर से 2 हफ्ते पहले, आपके पास काफी टाइम है। अभी आपका सेकेंड ईयर में जो पेपर स्टार्ट होगा सेमेस्टर का, वो फरवरी के अराउंड है, एंड वी हैव 1 मंथ टू लर्न। ओके, एंड देन आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग ऑफ योर पेपर ऑफ योर सेकेंड ईयर एंड फर्स्ट ईयर का जो लास्ट सेमेस्टर है, और सेकेंड ईयर का जो, सॉरी, फर्स्ट ईयर का जो फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर होगा, और सेकेंड ईयर का जो थर्ड सेमेस्टर होगा, उसके बाद आप फोर्थ सेमेस्टर में आप मेरे साथ कंप्लीटली इसको परस्यू कर सकते हैं, और जैसे जैसे परस्यू करते जाएंगे आपकी लर्निंग स्ट्रांग होती जाएगी। ओके, तो दिस इज ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड। इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट, एनी क्वेरी, एनीथिंग टू आस्क, वी आर देयर इन अ ग्रुप। ओके, प्लीज पिंग मी, प्लीज कॉल मी। ओके, मैं अगर बिजी होऊंगा तो आपकी कॉल को थोड़ा सा होल्ड करके फिर दोबारा से कॉल कर लूंगा, अदरवाइज यू कैन ड्रॉप मी द मैसेज। ओके, so we are going to start a session from 5th of January, or maybe the 5th of January, or I think 6th of January. Okay, we are not going to start on 5th. Till 5th you have to make your mind, okay, join in our WhatsApp group. Okay, so that 6th January you can get a meeting link in a separate group. Okay, so thank you very much, and again, wish you very, very happy New Year, and make yourself strong and have a strong feeling, or have a strong uh, thoughts towards your electronic engineering, because इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंजीनियरिंग ही एक ऐसा डोमेन है जो हर चीजों को छोटा बना रहा है, क्योंकि अगर वीएलएसआई और एम्बेडेड इंजीनियर्स नहीं होंगे, ठीक है, तो चीजें बहुत टफ हो जाएंगी। ठीक है, because हम है तो दम है. This is what my motto for this year. Okay, so thank you everyone. Let's join. Thank you very much.